In this video, I'm going to be showing you all how to use the Serene House Ultrasonic Aroma Diffuser. You'll enjoy this with your favorite essential oil blend. This is the Galaxy Scentilizer model. It comes with a timer function of 60, 90, and 120 minutes, as well as 7 color options with a LED bulb. There's a 4-hour continuous mode, which means if you let it, it will run for 4 hours before cutting off automatically. A little disclaimer, I did use this diffuser before recording this, so the labeling is a little bit worn off. Definitely be mindful of the oil when you're loading it up. But at one point, this was labeled with the timer functions. The first button was for power, and the second button was for the lighting function. So it comes with the charger. You plug it into the outlet on the bottom of the diffuser. Make sure it's pushed all the way in there. You will need power for this. This is not battery operated, obviously. So plug that big guy into the outlet, get it going. So you can use whatever essential blend you desire. Honestly, there's so many different oils to choose from, but today I'm using lavender and peppermint. Lavender is known for its soothing properties, and I just really love the scent. And I really love peppermint. Also lemon whenever I'm working on something or I just want to like freshen the air. It's really good for energy as well as mental focus and clarity, if I didn't already say that. I am a YouTube novice, so I failed to record myself pouring the water in so you can actually see the next fill line. But you can kind of see it here. It's a little black speck, again, because this is a little bit worn off. But just make sure to not fill the water past that. So here I'm adding my essential oils. A little goes a long way with the oils, honestly. But I like for it to be really potent. So I use about 6 lavender. But I think 3 to 6 will suffice. And things went a little left when I was recording the peppermint portion of this. So just trust the process and know it made it in there. So just put the tops back on, make sure they're on tightly. The first button is for power, of course. It's basic power, no timer settings. As you can see, the lighting function goes through all the color options and the mist will shoot out the top. You can select the timer at the bottom. Again, 60, 90, and 120 minutes are the options. The second button is for the lighting function only. So if you want it to go through all the 7 colors with no mist coming out the top, I mean, honestly, it adds to the vibe as well. I love the lighting for when I'm sleeping. Yeah, so you can actually cut or pick the individual color options as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Aromatherapy all day.